Hi, I'm Dr. Luc, author of Health From Within and founder of the Whole Body Wellness Center. In today's episode, I want to cover the Winsor Autopsies with you. These were autopsies that totally revolutionized the way we understand chiropractic. So, that's what we're going to cover in today's episode. Hi, welcome back to the clinic. Here's what we're looking at in today's episode. I want to cover a concept that a medical doctor actually did a huge study back in 1921. His name was Dr. Windsor. He was a neurosurgeon. And what he was looking at is exactly what I'm looking at in what I'm holding in my hands right here. On the left here, we've got a very healthy spine, nice thick discs between the two bones. On the right, we've got degenerative joint disease that's occurring. Now, if you look at the differences, they're quite obvious. As a spine is out of its normal alignment, if it's not corrected, it leads to degenerative joint disease. That's why it's so important to maintain your spine to avoid this. Because what happens with this, as you notice, the nerves also get affected during this process. And when we're looking at nerves that are dying, it's important to understand that these nerves are connected to something. They go somewhere. And if you recall in one of my previous videos, I showed you a picture where the nerves go out to all the glands, the organs, everything. I can actually maybe show you that in this video right now. I'll pull up an image of that for you. And you'll notice here on this image, what you're looking at are vital nerves going to the heart, the lungs, the liver, the spleen, kidneys. Literally every single gland, blood vessel, tissue, and organ in your body is connected. So what we're looking at in the Winsor autopsies, he was curious to see, he said, I want to go in, look at the spine, and anywhere in the spine, if there's a misalignment somewhere, which leads to degenerative joint disease, he said, I want to look and see if that did cause the degenerative changes. But the most important thing he was looking at, he says, I want to trace out the nerve and look at the organ that was connected. And what he discovered was just mind-blowing. Literally a 100% correlation between minor curvatures of the spine, not even a drastic big misalignment. He says in his study, minor curvatures of the spine virtually led to a 100% correlation between that misalignment and diseases developing in the organ that was connected. So when we talk about the importance of having regular spinal maintenance, getting your spine and nervous system checked out regularly, it's not about back pain and neck pain. We can actually prevent diseases from occurring if we maintain your spine on a regular basis. So I encourage you to get yourself and your family checked out. Let's make sure that everything's working the way it should and that you don't develop early degenerative changes, which will ultimately lead to diseases. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to receive more just like it, visit TimminsChiropractor.com where you'll have the opportunity to claim 3 free gifts that I'd like to give to you. The first, it's a comprehensive series of videos that I just filmed where I answer the most common questions I get asked about chiropractic. The second gift, it's a brand new ebook that I just wrote. It's entitled 7 Secrets Your Doctor May Have Never Told You About Your Health and Your Spine. And the third, it's a $100 gift certificate that you can use toward my initial evaluation and consultation with you if you choose to come and see me. This is where we'll use a highly advanced neurological scan, the same one NASA actually uses with their astronauts, so I can find the underlying cause of your health problems. So all you have to do is visit TimminsChiropractor.com. You'll get immediate access to these 3 free gifts, and I truly believe they're going to change your life. You're going to have a better understanding of health, of why we get sick, and the best part of all, you're going to have the exact blueprint that the healthiest people alive understand. So I look forward to meeting you someday. Until then, go claim your free gifts at TimminsChiropractor.com.
Luc is a healer. He's an amazing person. He's very, very funny, which is what I love about him. And he always makes you feel very welcome.
And we have gone to the doctor and tried several medications, several different combinations. Nothing was working, and so we looked up Dr. Lemire and came here, and after one visit we've seen a noticeable difference in them, and it's making life a lot easier.
Since Dr. Luc has been treating me, I have no pain whatsoever. I can actually sleep through the night. There's no swelling, and I think he's amazing. Thank you.
Because my headaches went away and I can function a lot better in my life. And it's stress-free and it's nice.
I like coming to see Dr. Luc because it makes me feel great.
Since my children have been coming to see Dr. Luc, there has been a significant decrease in ear infections as well as attention disorders.
With his laid-back way of doing this adjustments, I look forward to coming.
I love coming to see Dr. Luc because it turns the power back on, it turns my bones back into place, and I love it so much that I want to stay here.
He's done me marvelous things. He's friendly. He explains everything to you. There's nothing he leaves out. He tells you everything he can to make you feel good, to come and see him, because he's done me a world of good. And I'm sure it's going to continue. I got no doubts in my mind.
If you want to get your life back, you need to do what I did and call Dr. Luc at the Whole Body Wellness Center. You've got nothing to lose.